and girls, how are you today? Well, today I'm here because I decided and I would like to do some art and craft for St. Patrick's Day, okay? So, I choose that sandrock, okay? And we're going to decorate it and make a lovely one. It's not going to be the typical one that you paint on green or anything. It's going to be a tiny one and more special, okay? And it's going to be lovely and you can decorate it, your house with that if you like it. Or give it to mommy and daddy, put it on your fridge, whatever you prefer, okay? So, what you need is a black cardboard, okay? Obviously, mommy and daddy have to bring you a sandrock, okay? And then you need scissors. And you need these lovely pastels, okay? Different colors, you choose whatever color you prefer, okay? I choose red, blue, orange and green, okay? Because I like these colors, nothing special. So here we go. You don't need glue or anything, okay? You just get the sandrock, one that is cut with the scissors, so the scissors is out of the game now. You put on here, and then you hold them with your hands properly, and then you start to do that around the sandrock, okay? You have to do it so many different times because it needs to be a lot of pastel here, okay? It's not enough if you just do it one time and that's all. You have to put on a lot of white pastels into the cardboard. If not, it's not going to happen what we want for art and craft activity. So here we go. That's the red one I'm going to do now. Can you see it? I am holding it here properly. Oh, that blue is absolutely gorgeous. Okay. You can choose whatever color you like or you prefer. If you just want or green, for example, because you rather on green because obviously the sandrocks are originally green, that's fine. If you like orange, if you like golden, for example, golden would be such a lovely color to put on, isn't it? Would be lovely, but I just like these colors. I love all the colors anyway, so don't have any problem with that. I keep doing that, okay? Doesn't matter if the original sandrock is getting a tiny bit dirty, for say one way, okay? And now, last one, green, okay? Let me see. Oh, here. That's why you have to hold it so tight. If not, that goes away. Tiny bit difficult, isn't it? I think mommy and daddy will give you a wee hand, put on their hands here to try to press it for you, okay? And then I'm gonna get the dark green to make that tiny part, okay? So, look guys, wait a minute. I'm gonna do it more and more now. A tiny bit of blue again. I really love that blue one. It's absolutely stunning. It's gonna be a lovely activity to do. And now these days that we cannot leave the house that much and go to the park and play with our friends, it's nice to do something. And definitely this St. Patrick's Day is gonna be a different one, unfortunately for all of us, but that's okay. Okay, and here you go. So now, I think I want to put on again, okay? You have to do it really tight. It's getting there. Some colors are easier than others. For whatever reason. I think it's nice. I think if you put on the pastels, I'm just having that idea now, if you actually put on the pastel on top of your radiator, a tiny bit for like 2 minutes or 3 minutes before you do your activity, they're going to be really soft and it's going to be easier for you to do that with mommy and daddy. Because that red one is really no melted for me. That's nice anyway, okay? Beautiful. That's stunning. That one. Yeah. And now the red one again. Then it's the more difficult one. For whatever reason, guys. It's getting there. So guys, that is my sun rock. Did you like it? I hope you like it. Remember, if you want them more melted, you better leave the pastel a tiny bit on the radiator and will get all melted before you do your activity, okay? I want to wish to everybody such a lovely St. Patrick's Day, okay? Bye!